Welcome to Copilot Chronicles, AI in the developer's workflow. I'm your host, David Rammel, and today we're diving into the latest advancements in AI for developers, straight from the world of Visual Studio and VS Code. First up, let's talk about the evolving landscape of GitHub Copilot. It's truly moving beyond basic autocomplete, offering increasingly intelligent and context-aware tools in both Visual Studio 2022 and VS Code. Recent updates from GitHub and Microsoft have brought powerful new capabilities to the forefront. One major leap is Agent Mode, now generally available across both IDEs. This transforms Copilot from a simple chatbot into a proactive coding agent. Imagine a tool that can plan, take action, and iterate to achieve complex development goals from a single prompt. It can reason across multiple steps, edit code across files, fix bugs, and even respond to errors until your task is complete. Developers can still guide it, but Copilot actively selects tools, generates code, resolves errors, and seeks confirmation when needed. Now, speaking of Visual Studio Code, there's big news regarding transparency. Microsoft recently announced a major step toward transforming VS Code into an open source AI development environment. The GitHub Copilot chat extension is now open source on GitHub under the MIT license. This decision stems from a growing demand for transparency in how AI-assisted developer tools operate, especially concerning prompt engineering, data collection, and model interaction. Microsoft believes AI experiences can thrive by leveraging the vibrant open source community, just as VS Code has done successfully for a decade. The company cites several reasons for this move, including the improved capabilities of large language models, the desire to enable the community to refine common AI UX patterns, and to make it easier for extension authors to build and debug. Finally, let's talk about the new default AI model for Visual Studio Copilot and how to choose the best one for your projects. Visual Studio 2022 now uses GPT 4.1 as its default model, a switch from the previous GPT 4.0. Microsoft says this delivers significantly better performance with faster responses, higher quality suggestions, and greater overall efficiency. But GPT 4.1 is just one of a growing arsenal of models now available, including various versions of Claude, OpenAI's models, and Gemini. Your access to these different models depends on your GitHub Copilot subscription level, ranging from free to Pro, Pro Plus, Business, and Enterprise, each offering different capabilities and premium request quotas. There's also a new consumptions panel in the IDE to help developers monitor their usage, and a transparent premium request multiplier system that shows how much each model costs in terms of your quota. So with so many options, how do you choose? There's no single best model for every job. It really depends on the nature and complexity of your task, considering factors like response quality, latency, cost, and specific features like vision support or agent mode. For everyday development tasks like writing functions or generating documentation, general-purpose models such as GPT 4.1 or Claude Sonnet 3.7 are strong defaults. When speed is paramount, perhaps for rapid prototyping or quick edits, lower latency models like O3 Mini or Gemini 2.0 Flash perform well. That's all for this episode of Copilot Chronicles, AI in the developer's workflow. I'm David Rammel, and we'll catch you next time as we continue to explore the exciting intersection of AI and development.